What are you doing, kiddo?
Picking my
I think that one's got her presents in
This
it.
has her name on it.
Okay.
I want to get
But we'll find out. You can open both of them.
out. I don't want to open both of
There's
them.
presents in there for your little brother too.
Mm-mm.
Yep.
Mm-mm.
Did a good job of. Here, pull the tape off.
It's got to be from Grampy with the duct tape.
Ah, I can't get it. Dad, you can do it.
Oh,
Ah.
it's a Coach box. We like Coach, Grammy. Oh,
Oh.
big Billy. No, little Billy. Oh my goodness! What is this?
I think
Look at the beautiful skirt. How cute is that? And a shirt. So you put the leggings underneath the skirt, Cadence, and you wear it all together. Wow. Is that
Good.
pretty?
pretty nice, huh?
What other things are in here?
I wanted my tutu.
You want to put it on?
Yeah, what's my dress?
This is cute.
I can put it on with my dress.
You want to put it on right now?
With my dress.
Okay, let's show Grammy.
Huh. When Grandma comes to our house, and I can show her.
Yeah, when Grammy's going to come to our house, we can show her. Woo, cute! It's beautiful.
And look at
It's your tutu under your dress, huh? Let's lift it up and show.
it's supposed to be up.
Well, a little bit. You just have a little waist.
You like it?
I don't want it.
You can take it off.
Oh.
And you have a fun shirt. Ice skating. Those ice skates. You gonna come up here and figure out what else is in here? Are those pants to go with it?
No.
No, what are they?
They're wood pants.
Yeah,
Green pants because they're not pants.
big green pants to go with the green shirt.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Should we put them in your shopping cart?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. That's my for babies.
Okay. You want to come see what else you got? What else is in there?
What's that?
Is that for you or is that for your brother?
That's for me.
I don't know. I see something else in here.
Barbie, can I have it? I want it.
Yeah, this is Tangled. This is the girl from Tangled. Her hair grew and grew and grew.
So that's
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel,
Can I
huh?
have it?
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair.
I can have that.
Yeah,
I can have Rapunzel.
you can have Rapunzel.
Yeah, look.
Look in there and say, Grammy, I love it.
Mommy, I love it. I want to open it, Mommy.
You have to get the scissors.
Ow. I like Barbie. So that's Barbie.
Yeah, but her name is Rapunzel.
Her name is not Rapunzel.
It is.
No, it's
It says
not.
right here, Rapunzel.
Rapunzel. What?
Yeah.
And Rapunzel and Cinderella.
Is Rapunzel Cinderella's friend?
Yeah. She's my friend.
Woo!
Pretty girl.
Mommy's not so good at getting them out.
Mom, you're good, Dad. I can do it. He was ripping my the paper. I will when we open my presents.
Yeah. All right.
Got that covered, Mommy?
Well, I'm getting there.
You do.
almost there.
Can you get the brush for her hair?
The what?
The brush for her hair.
Yes, I will get the brush for her.
And these and these and these.
Yes, those and those and those.
Oh, what is this? Look it.
Wow, she's pretty.
Yeah, she's pretty in the dress. Hey.
Is she wearing a princess dress?
Yeah, she's wearing a purple dress.
What's on her head?
It's a purple crown.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
What do you call that kind of crown that princesses wear?
Hey, look it. It's a flower.
Hmm.
Huh.
What do you?
Brush her hair.
You can brush your hair, honey.
Mommy, can you take this off?
No, we leave that one in. And you brush the rest of it.
What do you call the kind of crown that princesses wear, honey? Do you remember?
Mhm.
Starts with T.
And Fancy Nancy wears one.
What's it called? A tiara.
What's that?
Her shoes. Too excited.
Let's her wear her shoes. I want to see her walk. I will hurt her hands so she can be good and very, very nice.
Okay. You want me to help put her shoes on?
Mhm. Where's her shoes?
Should have saved that one for last because there's more stuff in the box.
I like my Barbie.
I know you do.
Say Merry Christmas, Mommy.
Merry Christmas, Mom. Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas, Grammy.
Merry Christmas, Grammy.
Merry Christmas, Grampy.
Hey, this is Barbie. But she's Rapunzel.
Yep.
Happy Christmas,
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel.
All right, kiddo.
He said happy holiday.
You did say happy holiday.
Huh. Please.
Her dress is beautiful.
She wants to come with me.
Okay.
Let's go upstairs and I'll down to her.
Well, do you want to look at the rest of the stuff that you got?
Yes.
Yeah. Hair grows. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Open it, Mommy, and see what it is.
Ooh, Cadence, watch. You can pull her hair and it grows. Pull.
Pull.
Whoa. Look at how long her hair is.
Yeah, because I pulled it out. What's in here?
All right, say thank you, Grammy and Grampy.